Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I use a derma roller all over my scalp for hair growth. So to start off, I'll first comb my hair and then I will make it all nice and smooth so that we don't have any tangles left. Then I will part my hair in sections just like this, finding areas I need the most help with, and then I'll use my derma roller lengthwise, just straight. I will do it a couple of times so that the derma roller is able to puncture a few holes in my scalp by applying light to medium pressure. And then I'll make more partitions. I'll hold my hair down just so it doesn't get stuck into the needles of the derma roller. And I will do it lengthwise and sidewise. You will also notice some redness, which is totally normal. Just make sure that you're not being too harsh on your scalp. I will go all over wherever I feel I need some new hair that requires more volume. And once I'm done with derma rolling, after a couple of minutes, I'll go about and oil my hair, which really helps boost hair growth. Here's my derma roller. So now I'm going to be showing you how I clean my derma roller after each use. So I use 70% alcohol and I pour it in a cup with my derma roller in it, and I'll leave it for a couple of seconds. And later I just place it in the box and put it back. The second way to wash it would be water and some dishwashing soap. Give it a good shake. And then just let it sit for a couple of minutes. You can wash it off and place it back in your box. So here are the results after 3 weeks of doing my hair care routine religiously. I've been making sure I oil my hair, that I derma roll, that I'm taking all the necessary vitamins and de-stressing, just relaxing. Also making sure I'm washing my hair regularly because I live in a very hot and humid environment. I make sure my scalp is clean, and it's important to have a clean scalp while derma rolling too. Also making sure I'm always washing my hair with room temperature water, not hot or cold. All of this has resulted in me seeing baby hair. I can notice that my hair texture feels much smoother and stronger. I have also stopped using any hot tools on my hair, so no blow drying, no straightening. This is my hair naturally. All of this has really helped me, and this is just a reminder that little baby steps in your hair care can make such a difference. So here's a close-up of how my hair is looking following my hair care routine. I'm not saying it's the best or it's there yet, but it has definitely made a change, and I'm positive about having better results in the upcoming months. And I want everyone who watches this video or is wanting to start hair care routine to feel motivated by this. Do subscribe for more updates and results. Bye bye.